Many creators want to capture YouTube revenue, but are stopped by the friction of appearing on camera or the steep learning curve of professional editing software. The 2025 suite of AI tools has removed these barriers. You can now automate the entire production process, moving from a blank page to a published video using a fully integrated digital workflow. This system requires no specialized hardware. You can execute every step with a standard internet connection and free tier accounts on a handful of specific platforms. By removing the dependency on physical production and personal charisma, YouTube growth becomes a scalable, data-driven systems game. Every channel's growth is limited by the strength of its brand. A generic identity fails to capture viewer trust, making a specific, niche-focused foundation a requirement for discovery. Use ChatGPT to generate 10 creative channel names for your niche that are easy to spell and SEO-friendly. Once you have a name, prompt the AI to write a short 150-word description that explains exactly what the viewer will learn. To create your logo, feed a visual concept from ChatGPT into the FreePic AI generator. Using the Flux Ultra model in a 1x1 square format will produce a high-fidelity professional graphic in seconds. Inside YouTube Studio, navigate to your channel settings to upload these assets. This is where you finalize your handle, bio, and visual identity. Deploying this cohesive identity transforms an empty channel into a credible media asset before your first upload. Beginner channels often fail because they produce scripts that feel like dry lectures. This kills watch time and prevents the video from being recommended. Your script requires a specific architecture. The first 15 seconds must serve as a curiosity hook, followed by 30 seconds of credibility using short, punchy sentences. For audio, ElevenLabs provides narration mimicking human speech patterns, moving past the unnatural cadence of traditional text-to-speech. Inside the ElevenLabs interface, select a voice that fits your niche and adjust the stability and clarity sliders. Lowering the stability slightly creates a more natural conversational tone. Combining a hook-driven script with humanized audio targets the retention metrics the YouTube algorithm uses to measure video quality. Standard stock photography often results in lower engagement. Custom AI imagery allows you to generate specific scenes that illustrate your script with high precision. Generate 10 to 12 images for your video using prompts that specify hyper-realistic, 4K, and cinematic composition. This ensures visual consistency across the entire project. In CapCut, place your AI voiceover on the timeline first. Layer your images above the audio and add royalty-free background music from Pixabay on the bottom track. To maintain viewer stimulation, follow the pattern change rule. No single image should remain on screen for more than 5 seconds. Every transition serves as a visual reset for the audience. For the final audio mix, set the voice track to -6 decibels and the background music to -18 decibels. This ensures the narration is the primary focus. Apply auto captions using a bold, high-contrast template. These captions sync with your voiceover to capture the attention of the large percentage of users who watch without sound. Integrating rapid visual changes with clear audio and dynamic text optimizes the video for high completion rates across all devices. A well-edited video will still struggle if the packaging fails to attract the initial click. A high-performing thumbnail uses 3 specific elements: bold text under 5 words, high-contrast colors, and 1 clear, compelling focal image. To find topics, use the vidIQ extension to analyze search data. Look for keywords over 10,000 monthly searches and competition below 50. This indicates a high-demand topic with room to rank. Structure your title by starting with a number, followed by your keyword, the benefit to the viewer, and the current year. The first 2 sentences of your description are critical for search indexing. Include your main keywords here, followed by timestamps for each section of the video. Using these specific thumbnail and SEO metrics provides the algorithm with the data points it needs to categorize and serve your content to an interested audience. Once published, the video becomes a permanent digital worker, generating views and indexing in search results around the clock. This entire digital asset was built completely from scratch, without any physical production labor, expensive lighting rigs, or traditional cameras. To start this process today, open ChatGPT and generate your first 10 channel name ideas. In the modern creator economy, AI functions as a business partner that provides the leverage needed to build a scalable, automated empire.